when he alleged those things, when you alleged that happened.
Your Honor, it's 2022.
Okay, 2022 is a very...
That is as far as it's going to go, Mr. Tangway.
Okay. Did Robert Tangway in any communications ever threaten your safety? With physical violence?
When? Is there a time frame?
Did he ever do that? No.
Oh, can you just respond verbally? You can't, the record doesn't reflect that you shook your head. So you're saying, no, you're not putting a time frame on that?
That is in our relationship. Yes.
Okay, so you're just saying ever?
Yes,
okay.
Ever.
I'm just looking at the
Yeah, ever. Did he ever threaten you physically?
Not that I recall.
Okay. So he never threatened you physically. Did you ever call the police on Robert Tangway at all?
That's been asked and answered.
She did not answer it. May I remind you?
If you could answer it, ma'am.
No, I have not.
Okay, if I may remind
I
you.
have gone to the police due to your actions and talked to them,
Okay.
and they're the ones that suggested I get this restraining order originally.
Excellent. Please note for the record that the police have suggested that you...
One of the many people that have
Please note for the record that the police suggested that she get a restraining order.
I hear that every single day of the week.
Okay.
Okay? So it is noted for the record.
Your Honor, they just laughed at me.
Because it's an obvious observation, sir.
Well,
Every day of the week, I have someone coming in both the DV context and the civil context, saying they were encouraged to consider getting a protective order based upon conduct which caused them alarm.
okay.
Okay, that's an observation, sir, one that I made.
Okay.
Okay,
So,
that's all.
Your Honor,
So please, move on.
Your Honor, I don't like the tone that you're giving me. Respectfully, as part of 173B, in order to get a protection order, you must have been found to commit a crime. So if she went to the police
I disagree with that. That is a misstatement of the law. That is stricken.
Okay, that's...
Okay, please move on if you have any other
Okay.
questions, because you will not have time to present any evidence at the rate you're going.
All right, let's get into that.
Okay, so hold on. Any redirect?
Just, you indicated during cross-examination that there were no threats to your physical safety.
Excuse me, I didn't give up my redirect.
Hold on. I told her she could ask questions on redirects, and she said, now let's get into that. I assume
I
you
can-
were
I
going
can
into
put-
your case in chief.
I was gonna submit some evidence, I'm not.
No, if you are, that's your case in chief. I'm just giving her an opportunity. That is generally the procedure we follow after a cross-examination. Redirect.
Yes, he did not threaten your physical safety, is that what you testified?
Correct.
Did he threaten to file a lawsuit against you?
Yes, he has.
Did he threaten to have you arrested for kidnapping?
Yes, he has.
Has he threatened to have the kids taken away from you?
Yes, he has.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Okay.
Wait, excuse me, I wasn't done examining the witness.
Sir, you said, now let's get into that. I thought you were referring to...
I already told you no, I said no. Just calm down.
Your Honor, I'm gonna move to have this hearing be concluded. At this point, Your Honor, we have asked and given Mr. Tangway the opportunity.
I will give him the opportunity now. He squanders it. That's going to be the end of it.
Understood. Okay, thank you.
Okay, Mr. Tangway, this is your opportunity to present evidence in support of your objection. And
Right.
then I will allow you to make argument.
You haven't... Okay. Petitioner filed I'd like to enter Exhibit A, motion for contempt of the court and affidavit of fact.
Okay, so, and is that a...
Hey, don't approach.
Oh, sorry.
Don't approach.
The court officer, he's here at the ready. Okay, so,
Your Honor, what
Oh.
case was this filed in?
It looks like it's pocketed in the Supreme Court. No. No, that was already determined. It's a pleading, sir, that's all it is a pleading.
Listen, Your Honor.
That is not evidence,
Your,
sir.
what are you talking about? It's a document, Your Honor.
It's a document that you wrote.
You just accepted her evidence. You accepted. Look at her face.
I accepted posts.
You accepted a screenshot of the Supreme Court case. I have the actual document of one of those filings, and you're not accepting it.
Okay, I'll accept it. What weight, if any, I give to it? I'd like to draw the court's attention and the witness to Exhibit A. Ms. On, you've seen Exhibit A, correct?
Your Honor, I was under the impression that cross-examination was over and he was presenting
Process
his.
is over. This is your opportunity for your case in chief, Mr. Tangway.
I didn't say cross-examination
Well,
was
you
over.
have no business then sitting and looking in that direction. If you're going to present evidence, please present it to the court.
Okay. I'm
So I have
examining.
accepted your exhibit.
Okay, and
What
so
next?
I'm asking, I provided this to the court and to Ms. Andre, the attorney, through the court.
There's no need for a response from them. Why don't you present your case to the court, please?
You're stopping me from cross-examining the witness?
The cross is over, sir. We've already done redirect. This is your
I
opportunity.
didn't,
This is your opportunity.
I object to the redirect.
Sir,
You're, okay, so if,
I am going to conclude the hearing.
as a witness,
No. For what purpose?
to the purpose to go through the evidence,
No.
why?
You can present, actually, why don't I do this? Raise your right hand, sir.
I am not,
Raise your right hand, sir, if you want to present something factual. Do you swear affirm the information you will provide to the court today is true to the best of your knowledge and belief?
so help me God.
Okay, all right, Mr. Tangway. Present the evidence that you wish to present. You don't have to present it through anyone else.
So Exhibit A, you'll find that it is the motion that has been filed with this court, and also the Supreme Court. It is an affidavit of all the things that are wrong in this case.
That has nothing to do with whether or not there's good cause for an extension, sir. But if you want to go down that road and waste valuable time, you're welcome to.
You have not allowed me to continue to cross-examine the witness and object to Heidi Ames' last statement saying that I was filing a lawsuit. Like, it's just nonsense what's happening
So
here.
please present, this is your opportunity to present evidence. I'm not gonna say it any more than I already have. Please. You wanted 4 hours. You're not doing anything with the time that you have. Please present your
You're stopping
case.
me.
I've stopped you from arguing, sir.
Your Honor, my case is really simple. That I have been retaliated against by the court and Ms. Ames. At the beginning of the onset of this case, I filed everything appropriately and responded to everything appropriately. There was no DV in place in September of 2022 when the petitioner, plaintiff, filed a parenting petition. The court did not give order mediation.
Sir, we're not relitigating that case here.
She says in her filing that I think that that these hearings are fraudulent. That's what she's saying. That's what you granted, Your Honor, the
Sir?
petition on. You did. You signed it, the extension.
I'll give you until 11:30.
Okay. So again, we started this. She filed a petition in September of 2022. 2022, after breaking up with Daniel Daw, the police officer. Prior to that, I called the Manchester police and
I'm sorry, sir, if you're gonna spend all your time in 2022, the hearing is going to be concluded.
I'm not going to spend.
My focus, and I've said this time and again, is whether or not there is good cause that has occurred in the course of the last year, December 2023 until the present.
The protection order is fraudulent, Your Honor.
Okay.
It contains
Hearing is
physical.
concluded.
Thank you.
I've said it time and again.
You didn't
It has
get.
already been decided, appealed, dismissed 2 times in the DV and in the marital or the parenting case. And I told you we're not going backwards, and I've said it till I'm blue in the face, and I'm not gonna say it again. So unless you present evidence, I will walk
I
off this
want to
bench.
present. I'm presenting this evidence right here. I
Then
presented.
stop talking about 2022.
I'm trying to explain to you, to the court, why the.
We're not relitigating, it's already been decided.
Your Honor, there are orders. The only orders that have come from this court are orders that say that I can't see my children. Then they held me in contempt for not communicating directly with Erica Andre. They held me in contempt. It's all in filings.
Okay.
I'm trying
And
specific.
those are the other cases.
Well, I'm sorry.
And
Your
again,
Honor.
we're not addressing the other cases.
Your Honor.
I,
Your Honor, I have filed and attached those pleadings, destroyed evidence of the judge Marconi.
No, we're not going to misconduct. I'm concluding the hearing at this time, thank you.
Please rise.
This concluded.
Look at her storm
Thank
out.
you, the hearing is
She
concluded.
just stormed out.
You may exit,
Nervous.
please.
No, she didn't.
Yes, she did.
The record is,
Yes.
Thank you.
you're off the record.